Project Bloom is a menstrual health initiative that focuses on providing emergency sanitary pads to female students across different institutions. My name is Tejere Francis Temitope, a 300 level public health student at the Miva Open University. As a woman, it's absolutely natural to experience hormonal changes across different stages of our life, regardless of place and time. Having experience asking my peers for sanitary pads to going outside the campus to get access to one, the pain and stigma birthed Project Bloom. At Project Bloom, we aim at providing emergency sanitary pads to female students across different institutions. Beyond providing access to emergency sanitary pads, we aim at reducing stigma and shame by providing confidence and support to menstrual health and dignity. As a public health student at Miva Open University, I've been exposed to real-world health challenges through quality education, academic support, and flexible learning, and that has helped in building and shaping Project Bloom to what it is today. Moving forward, we plan to expand Project Bloom across different institutions within the country. I would like to appreciate Miva Open University for providing this platform and opportunity in achieving my goals. To my team and Mr. Kato Ibudu, I'd like to appreciate your time and support. To my peers and colleagues, thank you for your words of encouragement. We at Project Bloom say thank you.